Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use up my leftover ribbon scraps. I have here 10 pieces of leftover ribbon scraps. They're around the same size. They're around 10 to 12 inches in length each, and I'm just going to dovetail the ends of each and every ribbon. This method is called the messy bow. It is one of the easiest bows you could ever make. Anyone can do this. I do suggest to use wired ribbon only. I like to use different kinds of patterns in my ribbons. Now that I have all of my ribbons dovetailed and off to the side, I'm going to clean up my workstation. This is where I start to layer my ribbons. I start with an X, and I just kind of want them to look kind of fanned out a little bit. I am real careful not to lay the same type of ribbon on top of each other. I do my best to alternate them. Someone commented on one of my videos and asked me if I was hoarding scraps, and this is why I hoard my scraps. You can attach this bow to anything. You could attach it to a lantern or a wreath or a sign of any kind. Now I'm going to run my fingers right down the middle and scrunch it and get it as tight as I can. Then I'm going to put the zip tie underneath and tie that off. I'm going to start the zip tie. I am not going to crank it all the way down because I want to take it to the back and add a pipe cleaner. Now that I have my zip tie started, I take it to the back. I'm going to add a pipe cleaner, then I'm going to crank it all the way down. This way I have a way of attaching it to a wreath or a sign or a lantern. Okay, with that 10th strip of ribbon, I'm going to use that to go down the middle of my bow. Here I was trying to figure out if I wanted to just overlap it or scrunch it, but I ended up, I tried it just folding it over and I didn't like how it looked, so I took it off and I kind of folded into each other on each side. Now this strip of ribbon is going to go in the middle of my bow, and I'm going to turn it around to the back and I'm going to tie it off. I do tie it twice, and then I trim off the extra ribbon, and then I take the pipe cleaner and twist tie over the knot. Here I'm just fanning it out a little bit more, just fluffing it up. Now I'm going to add it to my sign. The sign did come with some twine so that you can hang it. I'm going to put the bow at the very middle part at the top of the twine, and when I do that, I wrap it around with the pipe cleaner, and I'm going to make a hook because I actually want to hang it from my hook. I don't want to hang it from the twine. I do this so that the bow isn't sitting in my hanger. Okay folks, this is my completed project. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.